Okay, we're hot. All right, so what we're gonna do is I'm gonna show in the auto sequence, and I removed the night gate power because we don't need that running, that's momentary. And also the bin vibrator, which is also momentary, okay? So I just wanna run it through the sequence again and prove that circuit out, that that's been taken care of. Then I'll simulate a trip and we'll go from there. So how we'll simulate a trip on this is we'll simulate a bucket trip, an actual process trip, you know, with a bucket tripping out. Okay, and that stopped the sequence here. So what we're gonna do is simulate a trip now. So the sequence, the auto sequence stopped here. And now we're going to simulate a trip. So let's say 63, all right?
You want to kill the breaker?
Yeah. So this right here is in case you use the push button to trip it out. You actually have to hold it. If it's in the auto sequence, you're gonna have to hold it. Now, if there's let's say whatever is clear, you can let it go, and it'll restart. It'll restart the auto start sequence. That's how this will work when it's in auto sequence. That's what I want to show you. So now we're gonna let it restart again. It's going from 63 out, and then we're gonna trip it at the bucket. I'm gonna use 63 again as an example. So 17J.
17J.
Yeah, so wait, not yet. We're gonna let the whole thing start back up again. Now this is really the only time, you know, when this thing's in auto and the plant's running, really the only time that you're gonna see a trip is when a bucket trips out. And that's what I want to demonstrate to you here. So we're finishing off the sequence. And vibratory feeder. Okay. So now hole 17J. Okay, so the bucket, we simulated a trip on the bucket, whether it be the thermal overloads or the breaker itself. We just simulated that and it took everything down. All right. So that's about it. And once you fix the problem, you reset it, the sequence will start back up. This is in auto mode. Auto mode. Remember that. It's automatic. So you can run the plant in auto, which is fun, you know, and it'll do everything for you. But we got to remember that, you know, when a bucket trips and you reset it and it's still in auto mode, it will start automatically.